In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on the Shein website using Google's platform. It's a straightforward process that can make your shopping experience much smoother if you're more comfortable navigating the site in a language other than what it defaults to. Let's dive right in and I'll guide you through the steps. First, I want you to open up your Google browser. Once you have that ready, head over to the Shein website. You can do this by just typing Shein into Google and clicking on the link or entering the URL directly in your search bar. If you're like most of us and spend a fair amount of time shopping online, you'll want to make sure the browsing experience is seamless and in your preferred language. This small tweak can really enhance your shopping experience, so let's get that sorted right now. Once you're on the Shein homepage, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small globe icon. This icon is the key to changing the site's language settings. Go ahead and click on that globe icon. It might seem like a small detail, but it can be incredibly helpful to know where to find these options, especially if you're on a website in a language that you might not be completely fluent in. Now, after you've clicked on the globe icon, a menu should pop up displaying various language options. From here, all you need to do is select the language that you're most comfortable with. Whether you're changing it to Spanish, French, Chinese, or any other language, having the site in your preferred language will make it much easier to navigate and understand all the intricacies that the Shein site has to offer. This includes everything from product descriptions to sale items and size guides, giving you confidence that you're making the right shopping choices. And that's it. Once you've selected your desired language, your settings should automatically update, allowing you to browse the site with ease and confidence. You can confirm that the changes have taken effect by navigating through the site and checking that all the text has switched to your chosen language. This simple adjustment can save you from any potential confusion and ensure that you make the most out of your online shopping experience. Thank you for following along today. I hope this guide was helpful and that you're able to enjoy your Shein shopping sessions in the language that suits you best. Stay tuned for more tips and guides like this one. Happy shopping and see you in the next video.